So only the best will go there. Today morning I was speaking to JSW recruiters who had come. Mr. Mahendra Pratap आए हुए थे, मैं उनसे बात कर रहा था. And he was very clear. He was very clear in saying that if students meet our aspirations, we take, otherwise we don't take. Zero. I was talking to them what is the salary packages. They said from 6 lakh rupees per annum to 50 lakhs, and somebody is competent. 1 CR is not far. He used a very solid word. He says competent. बहुत धीरे से उन्होंने बोल दिया competent. This competency हम कहाँ से लाएं? Competency you need at two levels. One is your skill, your technical skills, and second is your leadership skills. How well you can present your technical skills through your leadership profile, through your personality profile to the individual who's come to provide you a job. And if you can do that, excellent, nothing like it. Next slide, please. So entrepreneurship, remember, is the way forward. And we spoke on this. With this entrepreneurship, the advantage with us is that the youth is very young in the country, and we just need to combine, collaborate, meet with people of your sphere, like-mindedness. And therefore, the mindset has to be set right. And mindset is one that will take you to success and the glory. Remember, issues like energy, innovation, idealism, connectivity, ये सब इसी धरती पर है, यहीं पर है, आपके मोबाइल के अंदर सब कुछ है. You just need to explore and exploit. I'm sure your faculty and your expert senior students have shared with all of you as to how you can use this innovation through technology. Otherwise, there's some sessions that we can do in which you start working on your thought process of what you want to create, and in 3 to 4 months of time, you should be able to deliver a product to yourself, wherein you become the brand of that product. It could be a very small thing, but you become the brand. I heard the stories of somebody creating T-shirts, creating apparels, creating technology apps, and so on. So there are n number of such successful stories, and you are the next Bharat. Remember, the the mentorship or the bannership is moving from the present generation to the next generation. The present generation of 60 plus is gradually moving out. Others above 70, 75 are phasing out, and it is time for you to take on the leadership role. Out of you all guys, somebody will become the head in an organization, the deputy head in some organization, and the overall structure will be run by you. Where do you want to fit yourself in that overall structure lies entirely on you. And I'm sure we can do it. We can do it together. So all the very best. You are the driver. Next slide. Okay. So all that I can give couple of examples and I can keep talking, but suffice to say that we have proved it in the past. आप बहुत ज़्यादा पुरानी हिस्ट्री में ना जाएं, even from 1971 onwards till this days, or even your Gen Z period, 2000 to 2026, if you take people from freedom struggle to today, the difference is you don't have to fight for freedom struggle anymore. आपको मार्टायर बनने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, शहीद बनने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. You are born in an independent nation. You are born in a technology rich country. All that is required is grow this country today. Somebody who had to give life for this nation, they have given. My father in 1946 was the one who started naval mutiny as a soldier. तो वो जमाने गए. But today, being born in the independent country, you open your horizons, think big and achieve big. I'm sure it is possible. Kargil war heroes, we all know about them. Sports victories, they unite. Sports really unite in a big way. Get into some sport, and depending on what you wish to achieve, once again, the sky is the limit. Sky is not the limit. You can go anywhere. Startups, we spoke. There are n number of ideas that we can share and talk, but suffice to say that there are enough opportunities available. You just have to look outwards and people will grab you. Will grab you with open hands, open arms. Okay, next please. Right. So what is it that you can do here? आपने अपना कोर्स करना है, इंजीनियर बनना है, निकल जाना. Is that enough? Look for a job, and that's the classical traditional story. Don't do that. Please don't do that. इंजीनियर तो आप तो इस फनल में आ गए तो इंजीनियर तो बन के निकलोगे ही निकलोगे. सेमेस्टर ड्रॉप भी कर दोगे तब भी पीछे से मार मार के निकाल देंगे. इंजीनियर तो बना देंगे. But what beyond engineer? This place, this beautiful organization called NIT is the place where you build bonds, where you build your leadership, where you help the society outside your boundaries of this institution. Pick up a village, pick up some children, pick up some women whom you can really help. That will help you adjust in the society better. We used to do it in ancient days, we did it later period, and now is the time when you really need to get out of these boundaries, get out of the mind shell, and start working not alone in the books, but with the society outside. I'm sure the faculty is listening. And if that happens, it will be a great change for them. Okay, next slide. That's it, next slide. Will that makes go? Well, so I understand that education is one part, but skill is another part. So develop skill. Unless you develop skill, nothing else. अगर आप सिर्फ कम्युनिकेशन ही सीख लें, उसी के अंदर एक्सपर्टीज हासिल कर लें, या अपनी टेक्निकल स्किल पकड़ लें, उसके अंदर हासिल करें, पर करें. इशू इज करें, करना. One of my book is released on Amazon. I released it on 26th of January. The print is being released in about a month's time, and Army Chief is releasing the book on 12th of April in Delhi. And the book is very simple. It says, lead like a legend. And I attempt to find in that book, what is your why in your life? Why are you doing whatever you're doing? The second question I attempt to answer is, who are you working for? Who should you look up to? Or who should look up to you for advice, help, and mentorship? And at the end of it, I attempt to find out how. How will you achieve it? Google, Microsoft, and many more international companies, they follow a simple policy like OKR. Your key result areas. So you identify your result areas, you identify your timelines, you identify your resources, and then start working for it and keep achieving those objectives. I'm saying the international companies are following that trend. All that you got to do is just follow the simple trend for yourself. So find out what is your niche, find out your choices, and there is no dearth of opportunity. Next slide, please. Okay. So this is the last one. This is for teachers as well as the students. And our history says that we are very strong in Shastra and Shastra. Please switch off these lights. We are very strong in Shastra as well as Shastra. How does it happen? This is the story from Acharya Chanakya's time. And since I go around the country talking about Acharya Chanakya and Arthashastra, so this is one that I picked up for you all to draw your lessons. Please.
और ये राष्ट्र सफल व सक्षम तब होगा जब शिक्षक अपने उत्तरदायित्व का निर्वाह करने में सफल होगा. और शिक्षक सफल तब कहा जाएगा जब वह प्रत्येक व्यक्ति में राष्ट्रीय चरित्र का निर्माण करने में सफल हो. यदि व्यक्ति राष्ट्र भाव से शून्य है, राष्ट्र भाव से हीन है, अपनी राष्ट्रीयता के प्रति सजग नहीं है, तो यह शिक्षक की असफलता है. और हमारा अनुभव साक्षी है कि राष्ट्रीय चरित्र के अभाव में हमने अपने राष्ट्र को अपमानित होते देखा है. हमारा अनुभव है कि शस्त्र से पहले हम शास्त्र के अभाव से पराजित हुए हैं. हम शस्त्र और शास्त्र धारण करने वालों को राष्ट्रीयता का बोध नहीं करा पाए और व्यक्ति से पहले खंड खंड हमारी राष्ट्रीयता हुई. शिक्षक इस राष्ट्र की राष्ट्रीयता व सामर्थ्य को जागृत करने में असफल रहा. यदि शिक्षक पराजय स्वीकार कर ले तो पराजय का वह भाव राष्ट्र के लिए घातक होगा. अतः वेद वंदना के साथ साथ राष्ट्र वंदना का स्वर भी दिशाओं में गूंजना आवश्यक है. आवश्यक है व्यक्ति व्यवस्था को यह आभास कराना कि यदि व्यक्ति की राष्ट्र की उपासना में आस्था नहीं रही तो उपासना के अन्य मार्ग भी संघर्ष मुक्त नहीं रह पाएंगे. अतः व्यक्ति से व्यक्ति, व्यक्ति से समाज व समाज से राष्ट्र का एकीकरण आवश्यक है. अतः शीघ्र ही व्यक्ति, समाज व राष्ट्र को एक सूत्र में बांधना होगा और वह सूत्र राष्ट्रीयता ही हो सकती है। शिक्षक इस चुनौती को स्वीकार करे, वह शीघ्र ही राष्ट्र का नव निर्माण करने के लिए सिद्ध हो। संभव है कि आग के मार्ग में बाधाएं आएंगी, पर शिक्षक को उन पर विजय पानी होगी और आवश्यकता पड़े तो शिक्षक शस्त्र उठाने में भी पीछे ना हटे। मैं स्वीकार करता हूं कि शिक्षक का सामर्थ्य शास्त्र है, पर यदि मार्ग में शस्त्र बाधक हो और राष्ट्र मार्ग के कंटक सिर्फ शस्त्र की ही भाषा समझते हो तो शिक्षक उन्हें अपने सामर्थ्य का परिचय अवश्य दे, अन्यथा सामर्थ्यहीन शिक्षक अपने शास्त्रों की भी रक्षा नहीं कर पाएगा। संभव है कि इस राष्ट्र को एक सूत्र में बांधने के लिए शिक्षक को सत्ताओं से भी लड़ना पड़े, पर स्मरण रहे कि सत्ताओं से राष्ट्र महत्वपूर्ण है, राजनैतिक सत्ताओं के हितों से राष्ट्रीय हित महत्वपूर्ण है। अतः राष्ट्र की वेदी पर सत्ताओं की आहुति देनी पड़े तो भी शिक्षक संकोच न करे। इतिहास साक्षी है कि सत्ता व स्वार्थ की राजनीति ने इस राष्ट्र का अहित किया है। हमें अब सिर्फ इस राष्ट्र का विचार करना है। यदि शासन सहयोग दे तो ठीक, अन्यथा शिक्षक अपने पूर्वजों के पुण्य व कीर्ति का स्मरण कर अपने उत्तरदायित्व का निर्वाह करने में सिद्ध हो। विजय निश्चित है। सप्त सिंधु की संस्कृति की विजय निश्चित है। विजय निश्चित है इस राष्ट्र के जीवन मूल्यों की। विजय निश्चित है इस राष्ट्र की। आवश्यकता मात्र आवाहन की है।
Very simply, Acharya Chanakya says unity is the answer to our nationalism. Unity is the answer to progress. Progress of individual, progress of society, and progress of the nation. And therefore, nationalism is the order of the day. And we can achieve it together. Shastra or Shastra, दोनों की बात करते हैं. And we say, in the morning we were talking, pen is mightier than the sword. Use your pen very wisely. And if required, raise hands and fight. It will lead. Next, please. Okay. So, what happens? Come 2047, we see equality. Equality should come in by that time. We appreciate that young people like you across the country, if all of us decide that we will do it, there will never be a time when all of you come together on one ground like this, and lakhs of students together can never get together at one place. And therefore, guys like you and me have to go to hundreds of places, talk to thousands of men and women like you, and continue to tell them what is most important for our nation today. And if we follow this, then the world starts looking at us as a big power. They start respecting us as strong people and not as brown skin. All these days, only the skin dominated. Now, this matter dominates. The mind game dominates. And we've started doing it. We've just got to follow it. There are differences. You celebrate the difference. How do you celebrate a difference? Because two personalities will have different character, different qualities, different expertise and different weaknesses. It depends what are you focusing on. If you're focusing on weakness, you will only see the weakness. If you focus on strength, you will only see strength. Girlfriend हमेशा बहुत सुंदर लगती है, because आपका perception वैसा है. The tree is the same tree, the fruit is the same tree fruit. Somebody likes it, somebody doesn't like it. So we have to accept that differences will continue, and in those differences, identify the goodness, identify the brighter side, and enjoy that. Don't exploit weaknesses. When you exploit weaknesses, there are problems, there are challenges. And ultimately, it has to be an inclusive, all of us together. अकेला चना भांड नहीं फोड़ सकता, लेकिन मिल करके we can carry the nation together. Next slide. And therefore, what is the call to action today? The call to action today is stop rumors. Stop accepting rumors. Stop forwarding stupid WhatsApp messages. Whatever you don't understand, don't forward. Whatever you don't believe in, don't forward. Rumors spread faster than the missiles, and they harm more than the missiles. So please stop rumoring. Rumor mongering is one of the ways by which you can destroy a nation. build bridges between the communities. We have hundreds and thousands of communities. We don't have to find our space and fight about it. We have to find bridges, we have to find common grounds, and then grow together to grow the nation. And lead responsibly on social media. I just spoke. Be responsible on social media because nobody is watching you, what you're sending, what you're not. Send whatever is good for the nation. And at the end of it, please see that you contribute every day. Every day, you can't say that my nation is built. But every day you can say, I am being built. I have read 2 pages today. I have done 1 chapter today. I have done 1 unit today. I have done 1 project part today. So that's the contribution. You decide your targets. And when you are able to decide that target, goes it. That's the call to action. Next slide. And you find that one man in 19th century could change America, could impact America. And all of us are the same Swami Vivekananda today. Today is the time when you say, arise, awake, and stop not till your goal is achieved, till you are able to achieve the very best. With that, I will come to the close of my talk and to say thank you to you all. Next slide. Yeah. Good. So I simply do that. I go around the country talking about simply leadership. Chaliye, thank you all for very patient hearing. I am not as vibrant and as eloquent as Ambassador, but my point still remains. My point still remains. You grow yourself. Don't worry about the neighbor. You work on yourself. And if you work on yourself, your neighbor works on himself or herself, the nation grows. And that's it. Thank you so much. And a great round for our nation. Mahabharati.
Jai Hind, sir.
Thank you very much. Over to you, Anchor.
अरे इसको देखा हूँ मैं यहाँ से उसको सिरा समझ में नहीं आ रहा है गुरखा होगा
Thank you so much, sir, for those truly powerful and inspiring words. Your experience, dedication, and service to the nation are deeply motivating for all of us here today. Let us give a huge round of applause.
इंटरव्यू देखा है मैंने